Hey guys, I'm in Kroger. There's still that thing going on in Kroger. You know, when they have a good sale, they don't want you to use coupons on their good sales, especially when items turn out to be free. So what I've done is I've picked a couple of the coupons that we got in the P&G that are going to make things cheap. Namely, specifically the toothpaste, which should come out free. Apparently, they're not allowing coupons on that. But while I'm doing that, I'm also going to buy a Gain pod. I don't even like, not Gain, a Tide and a Tide pod. I don't even like Tide pods. I'm going to get my free cereal. I'm going to get the coupons on this. And when they try to deny me from using these coupons, I'm going to have to ask what exactly is the difference in using a 2 off of a $4.99 versus a 2 off of a 2. Corporate has already approved these coupons can be stacked with store coupons. So I'm going to go through and see if I have any trouble, and I'll let you know how it goes when I'm done. Okay, something I'm going to have to be mindful of is the buy 5 save 5. So there's one buy 5 save 5. I got one of those. There's one buy 5 save 5, one of those. I need 3 more different things to make sure that I get 5 off when I buy 5 things. So make sure you keep up with those and keep them separate from things that are just on sale. Alright guys, hey, I just walked out of Kroger after my deal. No problems at all. No snags. No one called me on the coupons. Nothing. I'm actually going to show you my receipt. I purchased everything that was there, including the toothpaste, which comes out to be free, to see if they gave me a problem with it, because we are getting reports of problems here that some Krogers don't want to honor that because it makes it free. But looking at my receipt, it's pretty dark, so I'm terribly sorry. Let's see if I can hold it up to the light so you can see it. Not so much, so a little bit. Okay, I did get Cheerios for $4.69. I got the Crest whitening. You can see I got that. Crest whitening again. Oh, that's a little bit better. See where it took the $1 off to make it $1.99? The Tide was $5.99. It took off $1 to make them $4.99 because it is buy 5 save 5. So I had to get 5 participating items to make sure that it took that $1 off. And I also got a Tampax. So if you look down here, it took off every single coupon. The $1 came off for the Tampax. The next 2 are $2. I'm assuming those were for the Tide, since she did the Tide first. Each one of those came off. The $4.49 came off because I did have a free coupon for free cereal. I get those quite often. And the last 2 came off for the toothpaste. There was no problem. She didn't question. The coupon did stipulate 2 per day per transaction, and I stuck within those stipulations, the same as I did with the I think it was Tide Pods or Tide detergent. One of those, you can only get one. But guys, I went through this with no problem. I'm thinking the problem is people are going in with 15, 20 coupons trying to clear shelves, and managers don't like that. Well, as a manager, I would probably just put limits, but you know what? Some just think you're getting something free or don't want to be bothered and just cut it all down completely. But if you go in and just do a regular shopping spree, you won't have any problems at all. So guys, go ahead and get your Kroger deals. Have a good night and happy couponing. Okay guys, I got in the car and I've got one more quick rant. You really shouldn't have to package how you buy your things. As long as you go according to coupon guidelines, you shouldn't have to trick them into thinking that you're buying more items than you are and slip a few free items in there. If I wanted to go in and just buy 2 free toothpaste, why shouldn't I be able to? So maybe what it's going to take is some of us complaining and writing to corporate and getting managers' names and times and dates and explaining how difficult it is when you're a regular customer and you go in to get these deals, which happen very rarely, how you're treated. So maybe it's going to take all of us combining together and writing corporate. But anyway, okay, I'm done venting. You guys have a happy couponing trip, and I hope you get some great deals.